And economics pass question number 29 says if MPC is 0.7, why government expenditure increased by 150 million naira? The equilibrium national income is what? So here we're looking at MPC. MPC is marginal propensity to consume. Define the relationship between changes in income over changes in consumption. So changes in income over changes in consumption. So which is change in consumption over change in income. The equilibrium level of income can be defined as a situation where the total amount people wish to save equals to total investments of business units. It refers to a point at which aggregate savings equals aggregate investments. At this point, there is a balance between demand and supply, and there will be no tendency to increase or decrease output. The theory of multiplier states that an increase in consumer or business investment spending in a country would produce a multiplier effect by raising the level of national income. It is also referred to as the ratio of changes in national income to changes in the autonomous expenditure which led to it. The multiplier effect can be as a result of changes in consumption expenditure, which is known as consumption multiplier, or investment changes, which is known as investment multiplier. A multiplier is denoted by the word K, which is 1 over 1 minus MPC, which is equals to 1 over 1 over MPS, marginal propensity to save. Then we have another formula for multiplier as well, which is K multiplier over change in income over change in consumption or investment. Change in consumption or investments. So where our K is multiplier, our MPC is marginal propensity to consume, and our MPS is marginal propensity to save. Then our C is changes in income, and our Y is changes in consumption. C is changes in consumption, Y is changes in income. And so if looking at this formula carefully, we're going to see that we have K, which is equals to 1 over 1 minus 0.7, which is equals to 1 over 0.3. So this divided by this will give us 0.33. If using our multiplier, therefore, where the value of K is now 0.33, we're going to have our K to be equal to change in income over change in government expenditure, which is equals to 3.33. So change in investments, change in income over 150 million. We cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we're going to be having this to this and this to this. So we're going to have 3.33 multiplied by 150 million. That will give us 500 million. So the equilibrium national income is 500 million naira, which is option D. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.